Hi guys, Piotr here. This is LiteFinance Global YouTube channel and it's my pleasure to be with you again. What we are going to discuss today, we are going to discuss a few different trading strategies when it comes to the Bitcoin. Yes, when it comes to the Bitcoin, one of the most excited trading market, and I'm going to show you few of them. And I strongly encourage you to dig deeper, do your own research as usual. You have to apply the strategies to who you are, right? What kind of the trader you are. And we are going to start with the most aggressive strategy. We are going to start with a very aggressive day trading strategy based on the 3-minute chart. And well, what you have to do when it comes to the 3 minutes trading strategy, you have to apply this to the higher time frame. You wanna know where you are compared to the higher time frame. In that case, we are going to use 200 moving average exponential on both daily and 3-minute chart, right? So what I like to do, I like to trade based on the volume I see when it comes to such a trading, right? So let's go deeper. Let's have a look at what we have. Let's make the chart a little bit bigger. So the first important thing when it comes to this strategy, that if we are above 200 moving average when it comes to the daily chart, then we are looking for the long straight only. At the same time, we have to be above 200 daily moving average when it comes to the 3-minute chart. As you can see below, we do have MACD as well here, which you might want to use as a filter of your trading strategy, and I'm going to tell you what I'm talking about. All right, so without the further delay, let's discuss what we have here and how we can apply this strategy for the very aggressive approach. I'm going to give you the basic, the rest is up to you. You have to apply to whom you are as a trader, and we are going to use the things we are discussing quite a few times already. All right, so let's take into the consideration this move to the upside over here, right? At the same time, we do have divergence when it comes to the volume, right? Let's assume that when it comes to the day chart, our 200 daily moving average is going like this to the downside, right? So in that case, you are looking for the close below 200 moving average and higher volume. If you are a conservative trader, right, then you are trying to start to trade based on this bear flag with the stop count we've seen over here, at the same time with MACD and higher volume breakdown. All right, that's the conservative approach, and in that case, please have a look. You are starting to trade much lower, all right, but at the same time, you are taking into the consideration flag and 1-to-1 move to the downside, all right, with very tight stop. Okay, so again, two ways of trading this, assuming that the daily moving average is going lower, all right? That's very important. Then, if you are a very aggressive trader, that's what you are looking for with this breakout and consolidation, all right? If you are a conservative trader, then you are looking for a breakdown after the bear flag over here, okay? So if you are aggressive, you have two possibilities to trade. If you are aggressive, you have two possibilities to trade. If you are a conservative, you have one possibility to trade. On the other hand, let's assume that based on what we have on a daily chart, is 200 moving day average is going like this, is going higher, right? In that case, we are going to have a look on that particular example, right? Where we have upside break, and immediately we do have a retest. Now, when it comes to the retest, what you should notice here is that the volume on the retest is going lower, right? With taking into the consideration latest weakness over here with the retest after the upside break, it's very tight stop, and the possible upside is more than 2 to 1. Again, we are assuming what is going on the daily, going lower to 3-minute chart and trying to find the trade suitable for us based on the direction of the moving average from the daily chart. It's a very aggressive approach. You are going to have quite few entries, but don't forget, some of them are gonna be wrong trades. But if you are aggressive, then you know that you are dealing with some failures, right? So that's the thing number one. And again, you can try to filter these trades by MACD if you are a conservative trader, all right? It's very, very similar when you are trying to apply this strategy to the 30-minute charts. Again, you are going to look for what is going on the higher time frame. In that case, again, on a daily chart, all right? And as you can see here, all right, we are well above 200 daily moving average, all right? So we are looking for some possibilities that market is going that way, all right? And we are looking for example, some kind of the stop count, retest of the latest weakness. That's 50% of that consolidation, all right? So the levels close to 40,000 as a eventually buying opportunity, but it's going to depend on the price action we are going to have on the 30-minute chart, all right? So let's make it bigger again, okay? As of now, we are below 200 on the 30-minute chart, so we wanna see the move above. But again, let's assume, because I strongly encourage you, dig deeper, do your own research. If I would want to do that, digging deeper, this video would last long, like few hours, right? So it's for you to make your own homework, all right? Let's assume that daily EMA, okay, sloping low, going lower, all right? So in that case, what you are looking for, we are slowly going lower here. So you have some channel going to the upside, but at the same time, the volume is going lower, right? So once we are going to get back below 200, right? That's your entry, that's your stop, and at least 2 to 3 are your first target. Of course, you are monitoring your position. If you are going to see some huge volume, then maybe you want to consider this as an exit level. In that case, if your entry was here, right, and we are already here, then that's where you are moving your stop lower, all right? Because if we are going to break this consolidation, we might double that one, and we probably are going to retest and moving lower. So again, the entry, when it comes to as a checking list, is what is going on a daily chart, where we are when it comes to the 200 daily moving average, and if it's a rising one, we want to look for lower time frame, 30 minutes in that case, and we want to try to be on a long side only above, and we are not trading the short side, right? Another example is going to be here, right? Assuming that we have a rising 200 daily moving average on a daily chart, we have a rising on a 30-minute chart, and we are retesting what is going on with this consolidation over here. The volume is going lower, right? Then the volume started to rise. Also, if you are a conservative, you may want to use MACD. Everything here is pointing higher. Guys, it's not a holy grail, but if you are going to adopt the filters suitable for yourself, if you are going to do your homework, if you are going to do your own research, then you may know what you want to apply and if it's going to work for you. With that being said, wish you great next trading day and see you around. Take care and goodbye.